Hey everyone, we're bringing a new format of a quick update on the latest news. So leave me your thoughts and concerns down below. Let me know what you think about it. Shiba Inu ranks number 1 in list of coins Americans wants to sell, survey shows. Of course, they have a massive community, and that might be the only reason why it's showing them as number 1. 𝙏𝙗𝙖 to permanently shut crypto operations in Thailand. Thailand failed to fix system issues despite several intentions given by the Thai SEC. Another regulation, well, exchanges will just move out of the countries that making them hard for them to join. Cocaine in crypto, dealer caught with millions in gains gets 9 years in jail. Now why do you want to do drugs if you can just do crypto? Richest person in crypto says, current correction is a normal market behavior. Yes, of course, we've seen multiple times where the market dropped 60, 70, 80 and 90%. Metaverse will be a 5 trillion opportunity, but one crypto sector will remain volatile, consultant giant. Well, Metaverse is new. It still has to prove itself. Alex breaks silence. Silence team working around the clock. Can they save Celsius, or will it be a next Terra Luna? Economist Peter Swift says his prediction for Bitcoin and Ethereum prices nearly 100% confirmed. Well, that was pretty easy. You just work out the massive retracements in crypto and you can get to these prices. So it's nothing new in my opinion, Peter Swift. Dogecoin launches new website for public review and feedback after 9 months of development. 9 months on a website? That's got to be an effort and something unique to see. Going down with the ship, Bitcoin or nothing. A world without Bitcoin where you own nothing and have no privacy is not worth living in. A reminder and dedication for Bitcoin's classes of 2019, 20 and 21. Now all I can say, I do totally agree with this comment. I can't see a living without cryptocurrencies these days. Under collateralized lending questions, DeFi Soul. What is the best way to leverage on-chain behavior and reputation in a Web3 world? Well, only time will tell what's going to work and what is not. US House wants assessment of crypto investments in 401k accounts. I totally agree. Put a small portion of your 401 retirement fund in crypto. It just gives it that additional opportunity for bigger gains, but as well as bigger losses. That's why make it a small percentage. Ethereum sell-off resumes, with ETH price risking another 25% decline in June. Well, the news for ETH is having an effect on it. Keep on extending certain projects, not getting to the due diligence dates they're bringing. It is going to push the price down. Will ETH remain in the second spot, or will it fall out? What's your thoughts? Leave me your thoughts and concerns down below. And while you're down there, look at KuCoin, the people's number 1 choice. Crypto exchange that's making it easy for everyone. Financial Industry Regulatory Authority, FINRA. Crypto employees sacked by their bosses can find jobs with this US agency. Now we've been seeing that a lot. Companies are decreasing their working staff. It's tough times out there. What is the economy going to do? Is it going to rebuild itself, or are we going to see a lot of people struggling? Bitcoin falls below 21,000 as Celsius pauses withdrawals. Well, it's a massive company with billions in assets. Everyone is scared. Crypto is in an uncertainty time. Which way will it go? Will it keep on dropping, or will there be a survival? Will Celsius survive? Crypto will, with its ups and downs. MetaMask Phantom fix demonic vulnerability in browse wallets. While there's a lot of talks about MetaMask, should we use it or should we not? Which extension wallet are your favorite? Comment it down below and let me know. IRS launches Operation Hidden Treasure to clamp down on crypto non-taxpayers. Well, how are they going to do it? It's hard to find people behind the wallet address. In my opinion, yes, I am paying my taxes, but currently I'm paying my taxes according to the funds that comes into my bank account. Is there another way of paying your taxes? Gitcoin's Kevin Owocki on changing the world with Web3. Crypto Briefing sits down with the founder of one of the major pillars of the Ethereum ecosystem. We've seen layer 1, we've seen layer 2s, we've seen NFTs, we've seen DeFi. Is Web3 gonna be the next big thing? Crypto exchange Huobi to close down its Thai unit after regulatory problems. Well, if there's problems with regulatory, doesn't matter which country it is, the exchanges is just gonna shut down and move away. CleanSpark TMG Core partners with immersion cooled Bitcoin mining. While everyone is complaining about the effect Bitcoin mining has on the environment, are CleanSpark the ideal opportunity to solve this problem? Circle launches euro-backed stablecoin. Demand for stablecoins continue to rise as businesses look to on-chain liquidity to improve their operations. Circle can launch a stablecoin, but it has to make sure there's real assets in the backing it, not algorithmic stablecoins. The danger with algorithmic stablecoins is it can be very volatile and it can lose its peg. Yes, a backed with assets stablecoin can still lose its peg, but if your backing is supportive, it shouldn't lose its peg that easily. So this is a new concept we're going to be trying out. Leave me your thoughts down below. Do you like the short version of all the news updates once a day? Have a great one and smash that like button and subscribe. Take care.